Patrick from Patchworks here. I am at a pond that's kind of close to my house. I'm gonna go magnet fishing. I got a magnet fishing thing for Christmas. I just got the new media mod. I want to test it all out. It's kind of nice out. This spot's kind of sketchy, so we might find something fun. And yeah, really, we're just enjoying the sunlight. Let's get after it. Alright, well, I'm not sure what that showed because I just got an SD card error. So in case that didn't record the last clip, I got a rope and a magnet and my gloves. And we're going to go figure it out and see if we find something. I can tell you one thing, I certainly feel more official with this big ass media mod on it. Big old wind muff. I wish it was windy so we could see if it worked. This is the pond. It's got a little dock. And it's, you know, kind of in the back corner of this neighborhood here, so if I had to throw something into the water that I didn't want people to find, I'd probably go here. I don't know if that's messed up to say, but maybe we'll find it. You also see my van looking good up there. So we're not that far from a parking lot. There's lots of lovely local artist writing on all of this that I won't show you because it's vulgar and rude and I wish people didn't do it. All right, this, Jesus Christ, it's a strong magnet. I guess that's the point. Goes on there. Lock that in, that is quite the locking carabiner. This is a lot of rope. How far do they expect you to throw something? Okay, just for the beginning here, I'm gonna tie this here. So if I do let go, I can pull it back up. Some gloves. All right, let's see yuck a thing. I can tell you that it feels ridiculous to hook a thing. That's all locked. Since they're not, so I guess I trust it. Boom. The hell is it gonna pull out? Oh, it feels heavy. But I think that's just because it's a giant magnet. What would be excited to find? Like, even like a quarter. A quarter would feel nice. A quarter's magnetic? I don't know. Change would be nice because then it's like you're getting paid to try this out. But I don't know if a quarter is magnetic. Let's see. Can you see down there? Oh my lord. There's stuff on it. Oh god, there's also a bunch of crappy looking crap. Okay, well, we found 2 parts of the same scissors. That's kind of weird. Maybe I landed it right on it and it broke it. Oh no, it's just very fragile. Well then maybe that is what I did. Okay, scissors. I would have never guessed that. But there it is. And then a bunch of goop and mud. I guess I won't even take that off because it'll just get back on. Let's just fling the thing. Hiya! I'm sure you probably gained some technique of tracking your lines and making sure you're covering all the space you can. But it's early. Waterproof gloves are probably a good idea, and probably the gloves that came with it were waterproof. And I thought I was all slick using my own gloves. All right, pull number 2. Nothing. Wouldn't that be funny if we don't get anything else for the rest of the time? I can use my new scissors to scrape this off. Wow, man, that is some mucky muck. Which I guess is what, you know, muck is supposed to be, but sheesh. Big ol' yuck. Give me the knot to hold, there we go. Ugh. All right, let's pull. I'm like, why are there scissors in there? That's like, makes you think, I guess. No matter what you're finding, and be like, what the hell? Nothing again. Did we just get lucky on the first one? Maybe. Choo-choo. All right, check out this third-person view of me yucking a magnet. I guess I can also test the audio quality of the mic. How does this sound? Do I sound pretty good? Probably. It's kind of a cool thumbnail. I need to hold like a gun and a magnet and be like, look what I found, ah. How about now? Does it still sound good? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Alright, I'm gonna throw it to the deepest or the furthest like middle, because if I was getting rid of something, that's where I would throw it. Oh God. Lesson learned. Make sure your feet aren't wrapped in with the wire. That makes sense. Alright, well I still haven't found anything except that first cast, but it occurred to me that most of the stuff that went in this probably wasn't thrown and probably fell off. So I'm just gonna walk around the edge and drag it, and that might yield better results. Then I guess I can go to this corner and pull along this. I'm learning already. Nothing. I gotta find something other than the first cast. What type of exciting content is that? Ooh, there's something on it. We got something. I think it's a bottle cap. It's not very exciting, but at least it's trash. Oh, and a hook. A red hook. Who fishes with a red hook? I can go back in. Oh. Okay. A red hook and a bottle cap. We're really raking in the good stuff, huh? Oh. Oh. Something. Found something. Fishing lure. Keychain. Keychain. So it's oh man, that sucks. I try to keep this hoodie nice. Damn it. Oh well. I've kind of just realized that you're probably just gonna find trash when you're magnet fishing. What other stuff would you find? Weapons and trash. Maybe if you find a weapon, it's still trash. It's not like anything, you're gonna pull out anything and it's gonna be useful. Maybe? I don't know. We're learning, I guess. Alright, well, my hands are cold, but we'll give it one more yuck for good luck, and then maybe I'll go show you the rest of this place, because it is pretty pretty. I don't want to get trapped. Yeah. Ooh. Oh man, it really makes a lot of muck, I can tell you that. If you're not a fan of muck, you probably won't be a fan of magnet fishing. And I'm not gonna wear my nice hoodie if I do this again. Little kid not listening to his mother. Always classic comedy. Nice. And I guess we just throw this stuff out. Maybe I'll keep a part of the scissors, because, you know, that's kind of fun. Just a handful of muck and a little bit of metal. That's all I got. I went magnet fishing and I found scissors. I guess, I mean, like, it could be a murder weapon. You can kill somebody with scissors, for sure. These are surgical scissors, though, so they probably did more good than bad, which I guess is a good thing. God, there really is a lot of trash here, too. Wow. Look at that little birdie. You see him? It's right next to the bench. Like right there. He's so red. And not scared of me at all. What's up, little buddy? You're cute. I don't know why you're not scared of me. I feel like that's probably a bad thing. Man, my hands are cold. So many trash cans here, and everyone sort of throws their fucking trash. Oh, well, I dropped the one part of the scissors. We'll keep this part. That's our reward. Alright, well, I had to help that fam jump the car real quick, but there's still a little bit of time. So, we're gonna run down this boardwalk and show you what it's like, because I told you I would, and I'm not a liar. Very pretty already. I don't know what these grasses are called, but they look good. Sun might be overexposing them because that's what Mrs. Sun does. But they're all kind of glowing. Like, oh. So where we're going is Tidal on the Delaware River. Oh my gosh, that sounded like third grade, Patrick. Delaware River, and it brings in a whole lot of trash. So you'll see a lot of trash and we'll just have to deal with it. I have plans to clean it all up. I've done a lot of it already, but for now we deal. It's mostly me telling myself that because, God, there's just so much. There's nobody, and it's windy, so we get to see if Mr. Windmuff works. Gosh, it would be such a cool spot. Look at that view. That's Philadelphia, and that's all her trash. All the way down the coastline, and all over here. Oh my Lord, it gets worse and worse. And when the tide comes in, this is all underwater, and that's just floating on top of it. Which just made me think possibly the best way to pick it up is to come when the tide's up and use a big old net. Which still is probably not a bad idea. Fuck you, trash. I'm coming for you. But besides that, it is a very pretty place. Lots of local artists showing their work out here as well. Such is expression, you know what I mean? It'd be really sick if this wind muff helps me sound good. I'd be hype on that. That's kind of cool. I don't think anything else is cool. Maybe this. We'll show you this one too. Sha. Or cha. It's kind of fun, honestly. Alright, well, that's really all there is to show you. I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you for sticking with it this whole time. On testing day, we found scissors, we saw a cool view, we got mad at trash, So I guess that's it. Thanks for coming along and testing these things with me. I hope it was kind of worth it. Those birds are probably crazy loud in your ear, but that's okay. All right, hope you're doing well. See you next time. Bye.